Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show how to fix Walmart robot or human button not working in your desktop or laptop browser. Stuck on the "Are you a robot or human" screen or walmart.com and the button won't work. It's super frustrating, but don't worry. In this quick guide I will show you exactly how to fix this problem. So without losing your mind, let's get started. This issue is usually caused by browser issue like outdated cookies or cache, boot detection error from Walmart system, or network related problem like VPNs or block IPS. So let's fix it step by step. First, try a simple refresh. If you have a Windows computer, you can press Ctrl and F5, or if you are Mac user you can command shift and press R to force a full page reloaded. If doesn't work, move to the next step. Now the next step is clear browser cache and cookies. Most of the time the robot check breaks because of corrupted cookies or cache scripted. In Chrome browser, to go to the three dots and you can press the delete browsing data and go to the privacy and security on the left side on your screen, and here is a basic, and to check the browsing history, cookies and other site data and cache images and files, and to clear the all data, then restart your browser and go back to your walmart.com. If the problem is not fixed, so go to the next step to disable browser extension. So sometimes extension like ad blockers, skip blockers, or even dark mode plugins interfere with Walmart's captcha. Go to your browser extension menu. Here is the extension menu, and click the manage extension and temporarily disable all the extension, but reload Walmart and see if the button works. You can re-enable them later one by one. If the problem is not fixed, so don't worry, you can try to another step to go to the browser and try to incognito or private mode. Now try open Walmart in incognito mode. So Chrome browser, here is three dots and go to the incognito modes, and to start go to the walmart.com. Now you can see the walmart.com is running, and to check if the robot check works, incognito disables extension and cookies, which helps bypass most issue. If the problem is not fixed, you can go to the another steps. You go to the your web browser, and to if you are using VPN proxy or shared network, Walmart might block those due to specific traffics. Try to disable your VPN. You can go to your extension and to check the, if you are using a VPN, to turn off your VPN option and connecting to a different Wi-Fi and restarting your router. Then reload the page. This often solve this issue instantly. And you can also use the apps quick fix for the problem. Use the Walmart mobile apps instead of the website. It bypasses the browser captcha completely. Hope you are enjoying this video. and don't forget to subscribe the channel.